During slope season, Mount Ski Gull in Nisswa is host to all kinds of winter-based activities. But when summer comes around, they're hosting kids for outdoor nature trips, activities, and experiences. Our reporter Xavier Curry has a story for this week's Northwoods Experience.
At Mount Ski Gull's nature camp, every week is a new adventure. Throughout the summer, the kids will experience different themes based on nature. This week, the focus is on water ecology.
We base them off of a lot of the themes that we're more comfortable with. Today we're doing water ecology because we have these ponds that are usually full earlier in the summer, but not in the end of the summer. And so we'll do water ecology usually at the beginning of the summer. We have a very laid back, fun environment. Our goal is that everybody just wants to come back, you know? We just encourage you to get out here. I think a lot of people think of Mount Ski Gull as a winter only facility, but we really like our youth programming in the summer, and it brings a lot of people out here as a different population, and we just are continuing to grow and expand our programming.
Here with kids, parents and guardians are welcome too. They offer family classes as well as drop-offs.
That was done just to give the parents time to go shop, get away from the kids a little bit, have some time to get errands done and whatever they need to do. And then it gives the kids a chance to step away from the family, meet other kids and kind of step out on their own.
Pearson expressed that kids aren't the only ones learning here. He himself found a passion for nature and teaching kids about the outdoors through these camps, and encourages parents to sign themselves and their kids up to attend the camp.
It's given me the experience to learn how to teach and interact with the kids and explain things in a way that they'll grasp and understand, actually make them excited to learn more. I really enjoy catching snakes or whatever we find out there for them so then they can handle them too, and it's kind of not be afraid then. Definitely register, drop your kids off, and expect to have a lot of stories when they come back.
Whether it's learning about local wildlife, exploring the trails, or just spending time outdoors, organizers say that this camp is designed to help kids and families connect to nature in a hands-on way.
The main goal of the nature camp is to get kids outside and get them to experience things that they may not be able to experience in the summer at home. Out of the education piece of it, we just do a lot of, you saw probably today, a lot of cool science experiments just to keep kids engaged. And then today we're gonna go do something outside. So we have a bunch of property here and a space to do a lot of different cool activities, and we just love getting families out here in the summer.
Reporting in Nisswa for this week's Northwoods Experience, Xavier Curry, Lakeland News.
Next week, the theme is campfire cooking. Those interested can go to Mount Ski Gull's website to register for classes.
Northwoods Experience is sponsored in part by LVI Supply, providing the Bemidji area with industrial products and equipment sales and service. More info at 218-444-3930 or lvisupply.com. Lakeland News is a nonprofit news organization. Donate to Lakeland PBS today to support your local news team.